Bonafide Hustler here, and I just scored crazy at this garage sale back here. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler out there. I have to whisper. I scored crazy with $5. I just spent it right now. I just spent it like 2 seconds ago, and I found some amazing things. Here's a little bit of a hint. You see the hint right there? Anyway, we'll have a look at that stuff here in a second, but don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can get the free money-making guide right here. First link down below will teach you 50 items on what to look for at garage sales and estate sales and thrift stores that you can resell for more money. Okay, I'm gonna go back in this garage sale and see if I can find more deals. Craziest, oh my God, I can't, I'll show you. So I went around that garage sale because I got the awesome deal from this one, but I found this Canon AE1 program SLR camera for 10 bucks. I mean, look, even the strap is worth about 20, 30 already. But yeah, this camera right here, I might actually take it to a camera store later on, but it should sell and get me about 100 bucks, maybe more. There's several on eBay for the $200 to $300 range, but we got some lenses as well. But you know, by this time, not many people really care about the lenses as much, but that's pretty cool. A Canon AE1 program, right? Nice little 35mm camera from back in the day. That was really awesome. And I'm telling you, I'm going to show you what's in the back over there once I get away from this neighborhood. But yeah, for $5, what I picked up, oh my gosh, one of the best pickups ever. Oh my Lord. I'll show you here in a second, but let me get to the next garage sale. Next garage sale is sitting up here. This is a very eclectic part of town. Trees are really nice. Houses are really weird. I mean, there's like a blue house there, a pink house here, gray house there. But it's really, you know, it's like the perfect garage sale weather for real. I like this part of town because it's just, you never know what you're gonna find, and it's got always some cool stuff. Pretty big. How much is it? I'm just curious.
I was thinking 15 or 20 bucks.
Does it have holes?
No, it doesn't. There's like a little bit, like,
okay,
some
yeah.
of that is...
So from that garage sale behind me, I popped on this Beaver State blanket. Pretty cool. It does have some spots where the wool is a little bit more worn, but they're few and far between. Also got a bag of bike goodies with like tubes and stuff for $2, which you can I can always use that, obviously, because I flip a lot of bikes and stuff. But let's have a look at this this blanket. Let's see if I can put it down here for a second. And here's the blanket right here in the middle of this road. Hope no one comes around. I mean, that guy just did. This thing is super cool. So yeah, Pendleton Beaver State blanket, pretty nice, very much intact. I love it. This was actually not $15, this was $10 at the garage sale right here. Total steal, check that thing out. And now would be a good time to show you what I got for $5 at the very first garage sale of the day. So you can kind of see right here, we have PS1 controllers, we have the PS1, we have Castlevania. Look at that, just chilling in there, pretty nice. Don't know if there's anything in the actual PS1, but it looks like there's WWF Attitude in there. So that's pretty nice. I mean, already this is worth $5. We have GameCube controllers, an actual GameCube, right? Pretty cool. Let's see if there's anything in here. Let's see right now. Oh, we got Mario Kart Double Dash games, so that's just chilling in there. And we also have an SNES sitting right here. Now, I don't know if there's power cables for that kind of stuff, but my real bet was the fact that yes, there's some GameCube controllers all over the place, but all these games for $5. Look at this. Look at this, we got Melee right there, that's huge. But all these things, Resident Evil 0, Soul Calibur 2, we have Monkey Ball 2, you know, there's some cool games in here. But yeah, it's just like, it was just a no-brainer that I had to say yes to $5 quickly, because there's also, you know, GameCube stuff. Total freaking score. I mean, to a collector or a gamer, I might just flip all three of the consoles and maybe the games too. I don't know, I might just want to be out of it real quick. But yeah, I'm thinking about maybe $100 to $200 in resale, something like that, maybe more. I spent $5 on that. What the hell? That's crazy. I can't believe it. I can't. Got to keep garage selling. It's already a great morning. It's only like 8:15. I'm gonna get it, man. I'm telling you, this time I'm gonna get it on this one. Guys, enormous garage sale right here. I cannot believe it. There's some bikes here, probably people that rolled up and everything, but lots of stuff. I cannot believe it. There's so much stuff, and these houses are super dope. It's looking pretty good. I wonder if it's gonna be like that when we're actually in there. Let's see. Some Muay Thai pads, look at that. Some cool pads. Got a Swatch, might have to rescue this. Atlanta 1996 Swatch, pretty cool. I wonder if there's a Stetson in here. Is there? There is. Okay, so from that garage sale, I ended up picking up this Stetson hat for 30 bucks, never been worn. Felt hat, pretty cool. It's a felt hat, pretty cool. They're selling on eBay between like 140 and 200. So I definitely think I can get, you know, 100 bucks locally for this, or potentially even 140 on eBay, because it's never been used, so that's pretty cool. And you know, I can't even leave this garage sale. I also picked up these Restoration Hardware scissor, like accent bedside lamp thingies. You put them on the wall and it springs out, and you have like a little thing that looks like this. That thing springs away from the wall, as you can see. 25 for both. I think they're gonna sell for like 100 a piece at the booth all day, if not more on eBay, to be honest with you. You have to be super quiet because the people are like still here. Crazy deals at garage sales today, I'm telling you. Just gotta keep going. We got more. Yeah, it's one of those mornings. Overcast day, and it just a lot of things to look at and buy. I haven't really even spent, I might have spent up to $100 by now, but still, the amount of resale I have from $100 today is crazy. So it's totally viable stuff. You know, if you're not garage selling on Saturday mornings, I think you're really missing out on a lot of money. 2 garage sales sitting right here. Don't know what we're gonna find, but yeah, they look kind of interesting, that's for sure. We're in the east part of Austin. Could be good. Some cool boots right there.
My things for free or very, very cheap. Yeah, so I mean, there's still some stuff though.
Okay, there was nothing really at that garage sale. Those boots were a little too plain. Didn't want to mess with them, but see this one. I don't think I'll find anything here, but it was looking exciting at first, but who knows. Okay, last garage sale looks like it's right there. It doesn't look that good, but you know, who knows? It's the last one, so. Yeah, so it's just a normal one. Okay, so I didn't find anything at those last 2 garage sales, but I'm outside of the antique mall, the Austin Antique Mall. You can come see my booth. $199, and here to do a drop-off of some random, like truly random things. Check it out. Yeah, a lot of random stuff. We got some cool vases or vases, whatever you want to say. A glass mannequin head, that's pretty cool. Teletubbies that do work. Coach Willis purse, pretty awesome. And we have some woven backpack looking things. We have 2 mirrors going to the booth right here. So that's pretty neat as well. You know, usually I drop things off during the week, but I was just so busy last week, I just didn't do a drop. So drop's happening today on a Saturday. It's all good. The booth is looking super strong. There's stuff everywhere. Okay, so we are like 5 hours down in the day, maybe 4, since I picked up, actually no, more like 6, since I picked up those video games for $5. And guess what? I sold them. I sold the whole thing, right? Consoles, everything, 300 bucks. And the best part is, I told the person to leave the money under the mat here at the front door. That's right, I left all that stuff in boxes right here. And you might be thinking, 300 bucks, you got gypped, dude, like you could have got so much more. Well, I probably could have got more, but for a one and done flip, I don't have to test anything. I don't have to do any of that stuff, right? Don't have to play any of the games through, boot them up, nothing, right? Nothing. It's just a one and done kind of thing. 300 bucks, plus I threw in 3 Sega Genesis games that were just in my collection. Well, not really a collection anymore. They were just there in my room. And then I threw in a kind of scratched up Smash Brothers Melee as well, just disc only. So 300 bucks for all that stuff. And is the cash under the mat? That's the real question, right? Because I'm trusting this person. We'll see. Okay, 300 bucks. That's what we're looking for. And then that will prove that I just took $5 and I turned it into 300. Is it under there? Oh, yes, sir. Let's go. Is it all correct? Let's see. Well, it looks pretty good so far. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect, $300 cash right there under the mat while I was laying out at the Springs. Okay, so I'm editing the video and I'm at the last part of it, and I realized I didn't even cap it off with anything. I tend to do this. I don't know why. But yeah, that was such a great hustle. I mean, $5 into 300, and then I didn't have to do anything except for just take pictures, you know. If you're wondering what the Sega Genesis games were, it was Mortal Kombat 1, 2, and 3. So yeah, those are kind of not worth much at all. And the funny thing is, the person that bought it put everything up for sale except for, he kept 2 games, I think. Mario Party 4, and there was another game that he kept. I'm not sure because that one didn't show up on Facebook Marketplace. But I'm not even kidding. The dude bought it from me, and then within minutes, he reposted like 95% of what he bought from me. And the crazy part is, we are about a week after that happened, and he's been axing the prices of all the stuff down, which goes to show you that I think the way I flipped it was the better way, right? Dealing with one person, one and done, you know, time outlay of my life, basically nothing, right? Whereas he's got to meet up with, you know, however many listings he's put up, and he's got to worry about like bringing it down. And on top of that, on Facebook Marketplace, when you mark a thing down, it has like a line through it, so it shows that like one of his listings was marked down from 240 to 140, and that was just for the GameCube and the controllers. So just guys, it goes to show you that, I don't know, I would much rather just deal with one person, get it one and done. Did I do the right thing? Just let me know down below, put a comment. That's kind of how I roll. I look at like how much time I'm gonna spend on something, and that dictates really what the profit's gonna be. I just didn't want to mess with this stuff. I didn't. And video games are cool, don't get me wrong. I had a time in my life where I was collecting them and all that stuff, and now I just don't. I have Xbox Game Pass, and it's a lot of fun. I don't really care to like mess with retro video games anymore. But what do you guys think? Put a comment down below. Solid garage sale day, right? And that's all I aim to do, is just have some fun, capture the moment. And if you have any feedback from me, just put it down below. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.